Vauxhall Astra LCD screen removal or head unit removal. So normally I start by removing this plastic trim. You need to find a spot that will allow you to slide the pry tool and then gently pry it out. You need to use a plastic tool so you don't scratch the trims. Okay. Don't worry if the air vent remains there, you'll be able to put it back after, so do not worry about that, because this is with clips, so after you can clip it back in place. Just clip it back after. Now we need to remove the driver's side one. Okay. Now we need to remove this silver trim. So again, just gently lift it a bit and just pry it out. Be very careful because it's very fragile, this one, so you don't break it. Okay, next we need to remove these two screws. Okay, and now again use a pry tool to bring the screen out. Okay, and this is how you disconnect the screen. So you have a clip that you need to push out, disconnect, and this is how you take the screen out. Okay, if you need to do any repairs to the screens, you can get in touch with us. We can provide the parts, or we can provide the replacement screens for these units. Thanks for watching.